What's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great day today. I know I am. It's sunny out. It's beautiful. It's Wednesday, which means the week's half over, and I'm actually having a decent day at work. So, all things considered, this is a really good day. Praise God for for the nice weather and the quick week. That being said, I'm on my lunch break here, and I was just working on a project that is a future video right here. Nothing I'm going to get into detail on today. Just kind of building the script here for people to use if they want. I doubt it'll be too heavily used, but I had a few questions by some people about my Herbstlift setup on my Void Linux machine, and so I just thought, people had asked how I got some things done and how I did this or how I did that, and so I just thought, other people have install scripts out there, or set up scripts to install their system on other people's machines. And I thought, with as little work as it's going to get, or as little use as it's going to get, because let's face it, my machines aren't pretty, but they work. I figured I'd just try my hand at it. Worst case scenario, it's just another scripting project for me to work on, because, well, I love to script. So that's the worst thing that happens, is that I get a little more experience and have a little fun while I'm doing it, and nobody uses it, then that's fine by me. If people want to use it and install my Herbstlift setup on their system, then by all means it will be up and running, and I'll have a video on it here as soon as I'm done with it. I'm not quite sure how deep I'm going to get into it. Right now it's just set up to work with Void, or I'm just working on it to work with Void. I'm debating on actually using Arch Linux as well, and maybe Debian. I'm not quite sure yet how far I'm going to go, how deep the rabbit hole goes. I could spend forever on this thing. But that being said, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm working on this, and I'm also working on a Artix/Arch. I haven't decided which one. Install script as well, because, well, let's face it, as much as I love Void and I love being on Void, there's just some things that I got to be able to do with a little more ease, and they just work a little better on Arch. And so by no means am I getting rid of Void, but I will be partitioning my drive here shortly and dual booting with Arch. Mainly for my upcoming window manager project. I've been trying to mess around with Void and do some stuff, but like I said in that community post I made a while back, there's just some really weird stuff going on that's probably on my end that I just haven't got under my belt, that I haven't figured out. But I can do it just fine on Arch. So instead of trying to learn how to use and how to do everything on Void while I'm trying to learn how to write C++ while I'm trying to learn how to build a window manager, I think we can eliminate one of those, and I'll just have an Arch partition and a Void partition, because I'm not getting rid of Void. That's just it. That's hands down. I'm not getting rid of it. But I'm going to put Arch on half my computer. So that way I can work on my project there. I'll have a shared directory, so that way, or a shared partition, so that way I can access from either side no matter what I'm doing. But when it comes to building, it just for some reason seems to work better on Arch. It just seems to find things easier when it comes to the libraries, when I'm compiling with G++ or GCC, excuse me. So that being said, that's kind of what I got going on right now. So if you are interested in my Herbstlift setup, or if you can see up at the top here, I'm also including Barry and BSPWM, i3. I might extend this even more. I don't know. This is just an install script I'm using to actually be able to install my configs on your system. Kind of like, not anywhere near as fancy and professional as DTOS, but just something that people can use if they want to do that. So that being said, I just wanted to touch on that real quick. Second thing I want to talk about is this right here. If you're on a phone and you can't see this, I zoomed in quite a bit, but I just want you guys to know how unbelievably 100% completely humbled I am by the fact that I'm only less than 100 people away from having 1,000 subscribers. Now, I know that doesn't sound like much, and I know there's channels out there, a lot of the channels out there are, thousands and thousands and thousands of subscribers and this and that. But for a guy like me who just made this channel mainly to document and record what I'm learning, so I had access to it at all times, and then figuring out if somebody wants to watch it, it'll be there for them. But I had literally zero expectation of any subscribers. And to see that I'm less than a year into my channel and I've almost hit my first 1,000, it just blows my mind. You guys cannot understand how much I appreciate it and how grateful I am for you guys that actually take the time to subscribe, comment, watch, whatever. It blows my mind. I am completely humbled by the fact that you guys would take your time, which is precious. I know time is precious, to watch my channel and to subscribe to my channel and to enjoy my videos, especially since I don't have any of the fancy editing and the fancy camera or microphone. And it's basically just you guys staring at my screen while I type stuff in sometimes illegible, color schemes, or not zoomed in far enough, or whatever. Just the fact that it is not a very professionally put together channel, yet you guys still watch it, you still enjoy it, you comment on it, you subscribe, you support me, and it's just an amazing feeling. I try to respond to everybody's comments. I try to appease everybody with their recommendations and their requests, and I want to continue to do that as long as I can. And so I hope you guys are patient with me, and I hope you guys understand that this isn't by any means giving me a big head that, oh, I've got, I'm getting all these subscribers and my channel's growing and this and that. But day after day after day, I'm just more humbled about the fact that, man, somebody else actually watched my channel. It blows my mind. It really does, guys. And I really appreciate it. So that being said, I just want you guys to know I appreciate all of you, and I hope you're all having a great day. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Looking forward to the weekend. And when I say this, I said it in my other videos, I love you all and I want the best for you. And so you guys just stay happy and just be safe. Love you all. God bless.